What is up, everyone? So in this video I want to talk to you about the importance of having a mentor. So make sure you stay tuned till the very end. Now, when I was beginning in this industry, okay, now being a chartered accountant, you can imagine it's a completely different field. And to learn more about how to build a business online, first of all, they don't teach you how to do business when you're becoming a CA. They teach you how to be a CA to other businesses, right? So I do not have knowledge in business. I definitely do not have knowledge or experience in marketing or in sales or in digital marketing, anything of that sort. So the first thing everyone does is they go online, and whatever it is that you want to learn, you go online and you type in Google, right? You will be amazed that there are like over 5.2 billion searches every day on Google. Okay, that's a lot of people searching for a lot of information. Okay, so just like that, just like you would do this, I would go on YouTube, I would go on Google, and I would search for whatever I wanted to search for, and I would get information, and then I would consume that information, and then I would learn something. That's process, right? Now, the reason why I say that this video is designed to explain to you why it's important to have a mentor is because on the journey, whenever you want to achieve any particular goal, there are two ways to go about it. One is you go and do it on your own, which is great. You might get some interesting results by learning from different sources of information. Or the second scenario is where you follow a mentor who has a proven roadmap laid out for you, and you just put your blinders on and you just follow 100% with 100% commitment and dedication. Now let's compare these two scenarios. Now the first scenario is where you're not really sure or guaranteed of the results that you will get because you're doing things on your own with hardly any or probably zero experience. Like, especially if you're starting from scratch and you're going online, you're looking for information. I say this all the time, it's a blessing and a curse that there is so much information. It's a blessing, it's a curse because there's also so much information. What I mean by that is that there's also a lot of bad, misleading, or different kinds of information. So for example, let's take an example. Let's say today you want to learn business, you want to learn entrepreneurship, right? You have this desire to be an entrepreneur, right? So you're going to go online and you're going to look for information, and the person on the other side providing the information through the form of a YouTube video or an article or a podcast, whatever medium of delivery that information is being conveyed to you in, is by someone who has information and knowledge that you don't, right? So you go to person A and you read about entrepreneurship and how they went about it. Great. Then you go to person B, you do the same. You go to person C. One thing that you will realize is that it is not always standard. It is not always standard that all three people will have the same definition of entrepreneurship, or they'll have the same roadmap with which they became successful entrepreneurs, right? So now when you are starting something on your own and you're looking at person A, person B, person C, and you're taking information from here, you're taking information from here and from here, and you're going and applying it, what's going to happen? It's going to be a mixture of different experiences. Now, there's one person who has a roadmap. You follow the roadmap, you get success. But what happens when you take different elements from different stories and put that together? There's no guarantee that you're going to get the result, because you're taking pieces of three different puzzles. Now, if you imagine you have three different puzzles and you're taking pieces from here, pieces from here, pieces from here. When you put all those pieces together, you're going to get a very strange image. But if you take a box of a puzzle from one person and you put those pieces together, you know that you're going to get the result, which is the final image, okay, on the puzzle box. So that is why it's really important to follow a mentor, because people come to me and they say, but I don't want to invest money, and I completely understand and I get that. I've been there. I used to feel the exact same way, but then I realized that by not having a mentor, I was spending more time making the wrong mistakes, which was costing me. Now, time is money at the end of the day, and if you're wasting your time, or if you're doing something that is not working for you, you're losing out on that opportunity. Had you followed a mentor, you would have gotten results more faster. So whatever it is that you're investing in a mentor, whatever amount it is, make sure that you follow that mentor 100% and extract as much value as you can possible for you to get the maximum benefit, which is what? The result. So especially in building a profitable business online, I see people all the time who are going everywhere. They're going all over the place, and they don't really get the results because they don't have a mentor. So this video is only dedicated to one simple cause, one simple reason, is that identify a mentor, follow that path, commit to it, and you are guaranteed to be successful. But make sure you follow the right mentor with the right vision and the right principles that you connect with, that you resonate with. Make sure you like your mentor, because if you don't like your mentor, doesn't matter however successful he is, you will never connect with his principles, with his values, and with his excuse me, roadmap. So in this video, I hope you understand that it's really important to have a mentor. You can by all means go out and try it on your own, but when you work with a mentor, you fast track your success, and that's what we want for you. So thank you so much for watching this. Leave a comment if you like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. God bless.